Home point is set. Let me check the map. Okay, so it knows I'm here. So at least it knows the return to home spot. 13 satellites. Now what I want to do is see if the bottom camera will it switch cameras while it's recording. That's what I want to see. Okay, so it won't. So you see that the thing is turned off, the beginner mode. I still only have it at the low rate of speed. I just want to take it out here a little bit. Grab some of this video. You know, just like with these quads, you know, these toy type quads here, you have to try to keep them still, you know, but they don't have no stabilized video. So if you keep them still, the video will be kind of clear. But once you don't do that, once you jerk them around a lot, then the video's jumping all over the place and stuff. So I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video here. I'm going to bring it back a little bit toward me. I'm going to record some. It's a low res type camera there. Even though I had the screen recorder going on. So yeah, that's kind of cheap. Some video while it's doing the circle jerk. You know, it seems to work, at least. Now, while it's in this circle mode, I'm going to try to change the position and see if it will stop. It will make it stop. I mean, it seems to circle pretty nice, you know. So let's try to go up a little higher. It's pretty windy, guys, and that's why it's blowing this quad around a little bit. This thing's really light, actually. It's about the same weight as the Mavic Mini. So that's working great, man. The circle mode on this thing works great. Let me go up a little higher. So it stays in its in there in its mode. So that does not raising it up and down does not quit the mode. Now let's see if I can go down lower. Yeah, that thing's pretty cool. That works good, man. See how low I can get with it. It's pretty damn close to the ground right now. As a matter of fact, it might crash. No! That's about as low as you want to take it. I think it's what? The height is like, it says 1 to 2 meters, but it's about 2 feet, looks like to me, off the ground. Whoa, it's almost getting ready to hit the ground. I better get out of this mode here, or raise it up some. All right. So the height is the only thing you can move around while it's in this circle mode. The yaw is unresponsive. It won't let you yaw it at all. It's just the height that's going to work. Okay, so we know the circle mode works. Good. So I'm going to quit that. Yep, that thing works great, man. So I'm happy with that. See what one of these other buttons does here. Not sure. I wonder how you... I'm not sure how you turn off the GPS mode. There's the high rate mode there. You click on the left stick. I don't know what that does. I'm not sure. Now the high rate doesn't seem to affect the... Hold on, let me... Okay, I'm jostling it around. Okay, yeah, the high rate's a little squirrely. Alright, so... Guess next time I come out, I'll try the waypoints and stuff like that, but... Yeah, it flew pretty good, man. This thing isn't bad for the money. I mean, it was 130 bucks or something. But it's a decent